Do you want to know how to answer tag questions in English? If so, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. My name is Josh and I'm here to help you improve your English. What is a tag question? A tag question or a question tag is a short question that is added to the end of a statement to turn it into a question. Let me show you. You speak English. That is a statement. It's a sentence. But if you want to turn your statement into a question, you can add "don't you" at the end. "Don't you" is a tag question. So it becomes "you speak English, don't you?" If you want to know how to make tag questions, look in the upper right corner right here. I'm going to add the video right there. First, let's make something clear. There are two ways to answer tag questions. Let's keep the same example for now. You speak English, don't you? The first way to answer is with a full sentence. Yes, I speak English. But you can also answer this question with a short answer. That is the second way. And let's be honest here, the second way is quite difficult. So this video focuses only on how to answer tag questions with short answers. Here's a short quiz for you. Let's see what you already know. You are busy, aren't you? Now let me give you 4 possible answers. Which one is right? No, I am. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I'm not. The right answer is yes, I am, or no, I'm not. How about this one? You are not busy, are you? No, I am. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I'm not. Make your choice. The answer is yes, I am, and also no, I'm not. If you're confused here, it's normal, but after watching my video, you will understand everything. And don't miss the final quiz. I've prepared 10 really good questions to see if you understand how to answer tag questions. Why is it so difficult to give a short answer to a tag question? Let me show you. You don't like coffee, do you? In many languages, people say, yes, I don't. It means yes, you are right, and then I don't like coffee. Or people also say, no, I do. It means no, you're wrong. I do like coffee. But it is different in English. In English, you cannot say yes, I don't, no, I do. It never works. The key to answering tag questions is simple. Find the core. The core means the main idea of the question. Let's keep the same example as before. You don't like coffee, do you? Now, what is the core? In this question, the core is like coffee. And from the core, you will be able to answer yes, I do, or no, I don't. That is the key right there. Let's practice finding the core. You do not speak Spanish, do you? Step number 1, drop the subject. In this question right here, your subject is you. So let's remove you. Step number 2, forget the tag. The tag is at the end. Do you is the tag. You don't need the tag. It's not important. Step number 3, remove the auxiliary. If there is an auxiliary. In this case, we have do not speak Spanish, so do is your auxiliary. Let's remove it. Step number 4, dump the negative. If there is a negative in your sentence, sometimes there isn't. In this case, we have not. Let's remove it. And now we have the core. The core is speak Spanish. This is what you have to answer in order to give the right answer to a tag question. So from this, speak Spanish, you can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. So step number 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can remember them by saying remove stan. Stan stands for subject, S-T tag, a auxiliary, and then negative. You should remove stan. Once you remove stan, you find the core. There's something you must understand here before we go any further. Finding the core helps you answer yes or no. It doesn't help you with the second part of the answer. I do, I don't, I have, I can. It doesn't help you with that. It only helps you to have the right first part of the answer, the yes or the no. But that is so important because if you have the wrong one, the people you're talking to are going to be super confused. Let's do one more. She cannot swim, can she? Remember, get rid of stan. S stands for subject. So step number 1, subject. She is your subject here. Let's keep going. Step number 2, T. T, do you remember what T stands for? T is the tag. So forget the tag, remove the tag. Very nice. Step number 3, A is for the auxiliary. Remove the auxiliary. In this case, cannot swim, can is your auxiliary. Let's remove can. And finally, step number 4, dump the negative if present, and it is present right here, not. Let's remove not. And finally, you find your core, swim, and from that you can answer yes, I can, or no, I can't. Let's try a tough one now. You like my videos, don't you? Remember, get rid of stan. First, drop the subject. Step 2, forget the tag. Step 3, remove the auxiliary. If there's an auxiliary, but in this case, there is no helping verb, there is no auxiliary, so you cannot remove it. Step number 4, dump the negative. There is no negative here, there is no not. So, like my videos is the core, and you turn it into a question. Like my videos, and from the core you can answer yes I do or no I don't. But in this case, no I don't is a terrible answer, right? You should say yes I do. And if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. It makes a huge difference. Thank you so much. Be careful. Don't just say yes or no. It's not enough. You know the core is coming, so you can answer yes or no. But not just yes or no. Your answer is incomplete. It's not enough. You need yes or no plus an auxiliary. That's what we're going to look at next. Let's move on to the second part of the answer. Find the auxiliary. Here's your example. You haven't eaten lunch, have you? The auxiliary is the helping verb that is used in the tag in your question. The tag is at the end, so the auxiliary is have. That is your auxiliary, and you can see in this question, you also have it in the first part of the sentence. Sometimes it is not present in the first part of the sentence. However, it is always used in the tag. So look at the tag to find the auxiliary. Here we go. The core, eaten lunch, yes or no, plus the auxiliary have. I have, I haven't. So yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Here's the key point, and listen to me very carefully here. There is a golden rule. The golden rule says yes must be used with a positive auxiliary. For example, yes, I have. Yes is positive. I have is positive. That works. And the second part of the golden rule is that no must be used with a negative auxiliary. So this one, no, I haven't. No is negative. I haven't is negative. I have not. And that is also perfect. However, be careful here. Many students say, yes, I haven't. But yes, I haven't doesn't work because you have a positive yes and a negative auxiliary. It doesn't work. Same thing here. No, I have. No is negative. I have is positive. That is not a correct answer. Now you can understand the answers from our short quiz from the beginning, right? You're busy, aren't you? Yes, I am. Positive, positive. No, I'm not. Negative, negative. Same thing for the second one. Here's the summary before we move on to the final quiz. There are two parts in your answer. The first part is to answer the core question with a yes or a no. The second part is to use the auxiliary in the tag. I have, I haven't, I do, I don't, I can, I can't. And there are many more. But you should always remember the golden rule. Yes plus a positive auxiliary. Yes, I have. Or yes, I do. Or yes, I can. On the negative side, no plus negative. No, I haven't. No, I don't. No, I can't. But like we said, you cannot say yes, I haven't. You cannot say yes, I don't, or yes, I can't. It doesn't work. Same thing with no, I have. It doesn't work. No, I do doesn't work. No, I can does not work. So remember this, you have to keep them separated. Yes plus a positive auxiliary, it works. If you give a no answer with a negative auxiliary, that is a perfect answer. It works with all tag questions, by the way. So if you say, he is French, isn't he? Yes, he is. Yes, he is not doesn't work. No, he's not. Perfect answer. No, he is does not work. You can't skate, can you? Yes, I can. Positive, positive. Yes, I can't. Doesn't work. No, I can't. Negative, negative. Perfect. No, I can. Does not work. She doesn't work, does she? Yes, she does. Yes plus positive. Excellent answer. Yes, she doesn't. Does not work. No, she doesn't is a great answer, but no, she does is not correct. Wait, there is one more thing you should know here. Some verbs can be used in the answer. Let me show you. You agree, don't you? You can say, yes, I do. And that is perfect because you're using the auxiliary do, like I showed you. However, it's also possible to say, yes, I agree. But it works only for some verbs. It doesn't work with all verbs. You want more examples, right? Let me give you some more. You know that, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I know. Yes, I know is also a valid answer. You understand, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I understand. Perfect. You remember, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I remember. You see what I mean, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I see. You heard the news, didn't you? Yes, I did. Yes, I heard. But remember, it works only for some verbs, and that is the problem. For most verbs, you must use the auxiliary in your answer, not the verb itself. For example, you eat fish, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I eat. Yes, I eat is totally wrong. Of course, you can say, yes, I eat fish, because that is the full sentence answer like I showed you at the beginning. But yes, I eat is not correct. You like movies, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes, I like. Yes, I like does not work, and watch out. I have met many students who speak English as a second language and they say, yes, I like. Forget yes, I like. It does not work. But you can say, yes, I like movies. Yes, I like movies is the full sentence answer, and that is correct. But remember one thing, using the auxiliary always works. 100% of the time, if you use the auxiliary, you will get it right. So just follow what I taught you today. Now let's test your skills. 10 questions. Let's go. You eat meat, don't you? What is the core? Eat meat. Auxiliary? Look at the tag. Do. Now, if so, if you eat meat, what do you say? You would answer, yes, I do. If not, if you don't eat meat, you would say, no, I don't. Give yourself 2 points here because there are 2 valid answers. Question 2. He shouldn't eat that, should he? What is the core? Eat that. Auxiliary? Should. Modal verbs are also auxiliary verbs. If so, what would you answer? Yes, he should. If not, no, he shouldn't. 2 more points here if you got the right answers. Question 3. You're studying English, aren't you? The core, studying English. Auxiliary, are. If so, yes, I am. If not, no, I'm not. You can say both I'm not or I am not. Both are correct. Question 4. It won't take long, will it? Core, take long. Auxiliary, will. If so, yes, it will. If not, no, it won't. Won't is the contraction of will not. Question 5. You wouldn't lie to me, would you? What is the core? Lie to me. Auxiliary, would. If so, what is your answer? Yes, I would. If not, no, I wouldn't. Question 6. He doesn't live here, does he? Core, live here. Auxiliary, does. If so, yes, he does. If not, no, he doesn't. 2 more points. Question 7. You're doing really well. Let's keep going. They could help us, couldn't they? Core, help us. Auxiliary, could. If so, yes, they could. If not, no, they couldn't. Question 8. We've met before, haven't we? Core, met before. Auxiliary, have. If so, yes, we have. If not, no, we haven't. Question 9. Tom hasn't been to China, has he? Core, been to China. Auxiliary, has. If so, yes, he has. If not, no, he hasn't. Last question, question 10. I'm a good English teacher, aren't I? This is a special case, right? In tag questions, we say, aren't I at the end when you're asking a tag question about yourself. What is the core? A good English teacher. Auxiliary, are. If so, yes, you are. If not, that is not possible. It's impossible for you to say that because I am a good English teacher. Excellent, guys. Hey, remember that practice is key, especially for this grammar point for tag questions. You must practice relentlessly. So go to my website. There are many free activities to help you practice and get them right 100% of the time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.